A single line in my notes saved me 17 times last month. Lunch cap, 12, no add-ons. That tiny line kept 72 in my account without feeling cheap. Small lines add up fast. Across a year, little preserves can cross 1,000. Not from a miracle, from a habit you can speak. This is Wealth Mentor Pro, where every lesson is a step closer to your freedom. Stay with me. You will leave with sentences that hold and a system that sticks. Spending boundaries are self-respect. Link self-respect to money boundaries with simple daily rules. You will feel it the moment your voice sounds like a plan. Think of your money as a night drive. It is easy to drift when road signs blur. Boundaries are coordinates. They turn drift into direction. Practical move. Set coordinates before options appear. Open your notes. Write this for tomorrow. Lunch cap, 12, water. 10-minute walk after. Send it to yourself. Say it once before you leave. At the office, the coffee round hits like a siren. Someone says double, extra, oat, whip. I don't fight the menu. I set a waypoint. I'm on drip today, total under 4. Join me for a quick lap after. No lecture, clear coordinates. The order lands inside them. A friend pings after work. Quick bites, new place, looks fancy. Old me floated into the room and paid whatever the night decided. New me taps a compass and posts my north first. I'm at 20 tonight, saving for the cushion. Small plate and water for me. The table nods. Plans align. Respect rises without a speech. 2 questions stay open for now. How do you stop upgrade pressure without an argument? And what do you do when late night shopping feels like relief? The Rideshare app glows. Surge pricing flashes. A button offers priority pickup, cleaner car, premium water. Momentum says yes. My compass says coordinates. I tap standard and add 5 minutes to leave time. I text my line once, I'm on standard, keeping surge under 6. See you soon. The ride arrives, the budget still breathes. At the electronics counter, a clerk smiles. Protection plan? Only a little more. My head calculates fear. My hands reach for yes. I return to coordinates, not feelings, not adding coverage. I reserve $30 a month for repairs across everything. The offer fades. The map holds. I walk out with 1 decision, not 3. Now the late night tab. You know the rhythm. Add to cart, express ship, bundle for a discount. Stress says purchase. Future. You whispers pause. Here's the move that changed my month. I keep a Friday at 6 list named Decide. When an urge hits, I add the item and speak this out loud. Not now. Decide on Friday. On Friday, I open the list with calm hands. Most wants look loud and small. The few that remain still matter. Those I buy on purpose. Group gifts test identity. A chat says 40 per person, then nudges to 60, then to flowers in a card. Old me matched the last number said. New me sets coordinates and offers help. I'm in at 30 and happy to order the card and bring it. People want direction. You just gave some. By week 2, I noticed posture. Not louder, calmer, taller. Boundaries change how you stand in rooms. They do it with simple lines spoken early. But here's what almost no one tells you. Spending boundaries are self-respect. Link self-respect to money boundaries with simple daily rules. Self-respect is not a mood. It is a promise you can hear. You keep it with rules that survive busy hours. Let's turn this into switches you can use tonight. 3 rules, each one small, each one strong. Rule 1. Coordinates first, then reason. Benefit. It ends debate before it starts. Example, I'm at 15 for lunch, saving for the buffer. Sandwich and water, short, clear. It sounds like a waypoint, not a wall. Rule 2. Offer a same vibe swap. Benefit. Connection stays while cost drops. Example, skipping the tasting flight. I'm in for board games at mine with tea. You protected the night without protecting the bill. Rule 3. Set caps by place and time. Benefit: your brain stops renegotiating in new rooms. Example: weeknight social cap 20, weekend day cap 40, delivery fees 0 this week. Numbers follow you like coordinates on a map. Add one fast filter for nights you feel emotional. Speak a single sentence before any checkout. Does this protect the person I'm becoming? If yes, buy calmly. If no, move it to Friday, decide. That question cuts fog better than any calculator. Scenes make habits stick. At a gym desk, the rep offers a premium towel plan. I answer with identity, not apology. I'm staying base. My priority is the emergency cushion. We both smile. I scan my card. I leave with 1 monthly price, not 5. At a pharmacy, the clerk suggests the larger bundle to save tiny coins. I return to coordinates. Small box today. My cap for errands is 10. We finish fast. My plan keeps tempo. On a date, someone suggests a last-minute add-on show. I hold warmth and boundaries together. Looks fun. My cap is 30 tonight. Let's walk the riverside and split a pastry. We laugh more than a ticket would have bought. Family weekend comes. Add-ons creep like vines. Parking upgrades, stroller rentals, fast entries. I set coordinates in the driveway. We're at 40 a day and we'll pack snacks. 1 paid treat each. The kids pick. The day costs less and feels plenty. If someone pushes your line, don't argue. Repeat your coordinate and redirect. I'm at 20 tonight. I'll meet you at the table. Respect repeats quietly. It doesn't audition for approval. When I slip, I repair, not punish. I write a 3-line note on paper. Where did I drift? What line was missing? What coordinate fixes it next time? Then I schedule the fix for the next similar moment. Repair beats regret because it builds a map. Now a small hinge that swings big doors. Rename your main account inside the banking app. Call it Respect Cushion, then the month and goal. Every time you open it, your compass points home. That label turns glances into micro choices that add up. Here's a 1-minute nightly ritual that locks this in. Stand by your door before bed. Open your notes. Type 3 coordinates for tomorrow. Place cap, place reason, place swap. Lunch 12, saving for buffer. Walk after. Evening 20, water first. Invite board games. Delivery fees 0. If tempted, pick up with podcast. Say them once out loud. Close the phone. Sleep. The more you repeat, the easier it gets. Friends begin to mirror your lines. Coworkers ask for your scripts. You become the person people trust to plan nights that fit. Direction beats speed. You do not need a bigger engine, you need a better map. Maps come from sentences. Sentences come from self-respect. Picture yourself 90 days from now. Your cushion shows a number with breathing room. Alerts are quiet. Plans feel chosen. You get an invite and you don't tense up. You send your coordinate, offer your swap, and enjoy the night you designed. That is what self-respect sounds like with money. If you want permission, take mine. You are allowed to set coordinates without a speech. You are allowed to hold them kindly. You are allowed to grow your calm on purpose. Spending boundaries are self-respect. Link self-respect to money boundaries with simple daily rules. For more lessons you can use, subscribe now and watch the suggested video next to make these rules automatic.